If you want a shorter version of this video, I'm creating one. The link will be in the description below. So my outdoor faucet's been leaking when I turn it on, and I've got an air leak. So it was suggested by my Newmar mechanic, my Newmar mechanic, Damien, that I try replacing this. So that's what I'm about to do today. I've got all my favorite gear together. I got an old yoga mat, my number 2, screwdrivers, and a couple of wrenches, and my new faucet. I like sitting on this. Keeps my pants from getting ruined. Oh yeah, and turn off your water pump and bleed the water out, leaving a faucet on for a few minutes to get all the water out. Otherwise, you'll have some water leakage like I did because I forgot. First thing is just remove the 4 screws on the outside holding it on. If you don't have a number 2 square, you can use a Phillips head. It just is not recommended. It'll work in a pinch, but get yourself a number 2 square. You'll thank me later. Let's see. To undo those. All right, let's see. I realized I could have edited all this out to make it quicker, but I wanted people to see what really happens and how much time it really takes. Because if you edit it out, it kind of makes it look easier than it is. Should have bled the tank out first, I suppose. I don't need... That feels like hot water, but it's coming out the cold side. Let's see. This one is hot. I gotta remember which one is which. So I just have to take this off and put the new one on. This one has kind of a curve. My new one does not, so it'll look a little different. We'll see how this goes. Twist these off. Trick is making sure put it on the right way. I could always swap them, but I don't know why I would. Okay. Taking it like this. So this goes in like this. So this one's a little smaller, so there's a line. So I want to clean that off while it's off. That's good. Now, mine came with new ones, so I'm going to use the ones it came with, because they might be slightly different. My hands are dirty, so it's gonna get dirty anyway. I don't think I want to make them too tight that it cracks the plastic. It's just plastic, so that's secure. This one on. Okay. Now I just hook these back up. Should be pretty simple. Let me see if they fit the same. See, these fit more tight than this one. This one doesn't fit quite in the hole. I don't know that this is actually gonna work, but maybe they are tight, but they'll get better. We'll see if it leaks or not. Let's see here. You gotta make sure that the hose, except on this one, because the hoses are kind of rigid, you've gotta make sure you put them on in a position where when you go to screw it on, the hoses don't get moved too much. This is kind of awkward and a pain. This is why I'm happy to pay professionals to do these things for me. I'm getting too old for this. This is a pain in the neck, but I can do it. Okay. I haven't had to use any swear words yet, so we're good. I'm kind of just doing it with my imagination instead of my eyes. Okay, I think it's on. I don't know exactly how tight these should be. Tight enough. Hand tight and then some, like a little bit more. So now, I'm wondering, before I see something here. See, look, my old one turns a lot more than these do. These just have like a quarter turn. I don't know that this might be a piece of crap. Okay, so I'm gonna hold it with this one. Let's see, turn it with this one. There we go. That tiny little hole in there. We'll put this on here. I'm not feeling confident. I don't even know which is on and off. These just are really crappy. I guess we have to turn it on and try it. Let's see what happens. Eek! Let's see, I'm gonna have to, I'll turn this on. I'm not sure which is on and off on this, but we'll see. Just see what happens here. I'm scared. Okay, water is coming out of here. Let's So it's on. Okay, now it's off. Let it pressurize. I'm hearing a leak. I'm hearing air coming from here. Somewhere behind, maybe it's this one. I think my mechanic is getting me this new valve. This here needs, possibly is the culprit. Anyway, so that's off. That's on. Okay, out is on. I'm probably gonna have to put little signs. On, off. Okay, so it's working. Now if I turn off the sprayer and turn it on, no leaks. I always like to screw the opposing screws in first. Just not tighten, just a little bit. And then once I get them all in, then I go back and tighten them. I know that's considered common sense, but we've got a new generation of kiddos who may not have had parents teach them those things, so I like to mention them. Okay, not too tight here. Again, we're working with plastic. And we are set. On, off, on, off. Hey, and if you like this video, please subscribe or leave a comment. I love knowing when my videos make a difference. Thanks.